Hello, number ones. You are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and this is Himali Narsian, your astrologer, tarot reader, and life coach. Let's look at what the week holds for you from the 1st to the 15th of March, not the week, sorry, half of the month. What does it hold for you, and what is coming for number ones? So, number ones, your general energies come up as the Tower and the clinging to the past. So the Tower here could be a little shake up, a little on the negative side, which will eventually turn into something positive over a period of time. You may be stuck onto things that you've been doing, and you could lose a job. This is most probable because we have the transformation in your work sector, and this change is going to affect your overall life. The Tower is a sure thing because we've got the Tower, we've got Thunderbolt, which is again the Tower, as per Osho Zen, and we cannot sort of move away from it, we cannot avoid it. So the only thing that we could do is accept it and work a strategy around it. Clinging to the past, again, you have been clinging to the past, or someone who you've been working with are missing the old ways of working with you. They may be thinking, oh, okay, how can we sort of get back to that previous structure? And because they haven't been able to, they are giving you the Tower moment here. On the love front, you do not want to or do not wish to take any steps. Four of Swords, you just want to stay very, very low on your love front. And this could cause a Tower moment to your partner. They may be extremely and overly devastated, and they wouldn't know how to sort of console you. But be rest assured, they are as hurt as you are, and these energies will eventually play out. You are going to move out into a much better space. Let's also look what is this Tower moment about. Looking at the structure of your cards, it's most likely losing a job, losing a business opportunity, losing a very big client for you. But let's see how will the Tower energy play out for number ones. There is a heartbreak, betrayal. Then you have a Queen of Wands, Nine of Swords, the Moon, and Ace of Swords eventually. Okay, great. So if you want to overcome this situation, you need to first accept the heartbreak. Think about yourself. There will be people who are trying to betray you. There will be a Queen of Wands helping you around. This could be a woman over 25, fire sign. Do not sit and cry over it. Do not spend your nights thinking over it too much. This is the light at the end of the tunnel, and you will get your Ace of Swords. If you have that mental capability, you have that mental ability to have a success mindset, you will get it, number ones. On the work front, again, we have Three of Pentacles and transformation. There is a there is a strategy built against you, or whatever you want to think, and this will lead to a sudden sudden heartbreak when it comes to your work sector. You will think of a strategy, and you may say a no to your employer that you don't want to continue with them. Either ways, this is a little troublesome period for you, number ones. The next 15 days look a little hectic for you, but have faith. There is a divine plan. Trust there is a divine plan. This is a part of the divine plan. And your lucky color for the next 15 days is mauve. The lucky number for you is 43. Enjoy clear hearing. And the love front advises, someone is wearing a false self mask in this relationship. It's very playful. Do not take it seriously. And the lucky crystal for you this week is black hematite or black onyx. So number ones, this was your reading. Please let me know if this resonates with you, and I will see you soon.